Hi guys, welcome back to my channel English in a Blink, and today we're going to be looking at wish and hope. Well, what about that? Lots of people, they get confused how to use wish, I wish, and when exactly do you have to say I hope? And is there any difference between the two of them? Like I wish and I hope. Well, simply put, let's see. When you say I wish, well, wishes are for genies and hope is for dreamers. Yes. So when you say I wish, that means you want to talk about something which is unlikely, that you think is not like a possibility. I wish. So let's say, and always remember, you always wish for things like the opposite things. So if I say like something that I wish, I can't swim. This is the reality. Okay. So then what would I wish? I am always going to wish the opposite. And always remember, when you're talking about present, current situations, you always use your past simple when you're using your wish. So like I said, presently, I can't swim. So, and I always said that I said that wish, you always wish for the opposite. So can't, that means you are talking about something which is can, but you will always use your past simple. So that's your could. So I can't swim. I wish I could swim. Okay. So that's how you use your wish. Something in the present, which is you're not happy and you wish it was, it were different. That's when you use your wish. So I wish I could swim. And you always wish the opposite of what the reality is. That's in your present. Similarly, let's say my cat is sick. Okay. So my cat is sick. So what am I going to wish for? The opposite. So I wish my cat weren't sick. Why weren't? Why not wasn't? Well, so wish is the same structure as you have your conditionals. So in your conditionals, we always say I were, she were, he were. And why? Because we are talking about unreal things. And that's exactly why we use were instead of was in wish as well. So like I said, I wish my cat weren't sick. Okay, do not forget, you always wish for the opposite. Something, because you're not happy with something, that's why you're wishing, isn't it? So always the opposite. Now this was about present. Okay, with present, we use past simple. Now let's say we can also use wish for things which are like regrets. Okay, we're not like something happened in the past. Now you can't change it. Like I said, it's very similar to your conditionals and it's about past. So you failed your exam because you did not study. So then you can say, oh, I wish I had studied. Did you study? No, you did not. And now you wish you had studied. So when you're talking about past regrets, you use your I wish and, yes, you guessed it, past perfect. I wish I had studied. And the rule applies. It's the same thing that, you're talking about something which happened and you were always going to wish for the opposite. You didn't study, you failed, and now you wish you had studied. Okay, so do not forget the concept. The concept is the same. You always wish for the opposite thing. So something which you're not happy about, something in the past, when you're wishing for something in the past, you use your past perfect. When you're wishing something in the present, you use your past simple. Simple? Let's say, excuse me, you want to talk about something which is something very annoying or about something in regards to future. Then we use our would. So I wish sun would come out. I wish the sun would come out. It's dark and it's gloomy, and that's what you wish. The sun would come out, and you don't know about that, but you are wishing for that. So you use your would to talk about things in future. Okay, so for future we use our would with wish. Well, with would we can also talk about annoying things which you don't like, something which is like annoying. Oh, I wish my sister would ask me before taking my clothes. All right, so that's also one way of using your wish. We're not happy, something which is annoying, then also you can use your would. Always remember, you cannot use your would if something is in your hand. Now, like you said, sun would come out, it's not in your hand, right? Or your sister would ask you, that is again not in your hand, because your sister is not asking you before taking your clothes. So something which is in your hand, so you cannot say, I wish I would eat less chocolates. Not a possibility, because you not eating chocolates is in your hands. Okay, so then you can say, I wish I didn't eat so many chocolates. If you ate in the present and then you are like, oh, why did I do that? Now I'm going to just put on, I'm just going to pop like balloon. Okay, so then you will be using your past simple. Would is only a possibility when you're talking about future and something which is not in your hand. So that's your wish. Okay, now talking about hope, like I said, hope is for dreamers, wishes are for genies. Okay, unlikely, which you think it's not a possibility, that's when you use your wish. Like, and hope is a possibility, so things which can happen, and that's when you hope. So you always use your present simple. So then you can say, oh, I hope I pass the exam. So you gave your exam, you gave your test, and then you are, fingers crossed, I hope I pass my exam. That is a possibility. You know you've studied, you know that you worked hard, and you gave your exam quite well. So that's when you're hoping. So I hope I pass. And I'm sure you might have noticed, and lots of people are going to be saying, I hope I will pass. Lots of people use their future. Well, grammatically it is not right, but people use it and it's acceptable. But let's say if you're giving like like an exam or something, don't use it. But I mean, nobody's going to give you any marks when you are having a conversation with someone. Nobody's going to judge your grammar, so that's okay. But if it is about a test, so that's, remember, you use your present simple with hope. I hope I win the lottery. So you bought your ticket, and then that's what you're hoping. Oh, I hope I win. Yes, I hope my team wins. Okay, so all those things you use with hope, which you always use hope when something is a possibility, and you use your wish with unreal, unlikely things. Okay, and that's how these two things are different. So hope, possible; wish, not a possibility. Okay, so I hope you're not going to forget this, and I wish you guys all the very best with wish and hope. If you like the video, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe. Until we meet next time, bye for now.